Hands off BI Phakathi. Hands off BI Phakathi. Makayekwe, miyekeleni. Umuntu menceda niyakhala, umuntu mengancedi niyakhala, umuntu menza into enhle ralla. Motho a etsa ntho empe ralla, motho a etsa ntho entle ralla, kganthe re batlang, re le batho. Your only problem is that you want to see his face and it's so that you can start hounding him for the money that you think he has. The millionaire that you think he is. But you don't focus on the good deeds that he does. And you are the one who complains and says, when we do good, we mustn't show what the right hand is doing to the left hand, or the left hand mustn't see what the right hand is doing. That's exactly what he's doing. He's not showing his face. Because once he starts showing his face, you and I are going to now start saying, yeah, he's got ulterior motives. No, why is he giving this money? Why is he bringing in cameras? You want to come up with all sorts of different stories. BI Phakathi is not even supposed to be responding to these ludicrous accusations. He does an incredible job. He does the Lord's work on a daily basis. And he's big because of it. We love him because of it. Or it's a she. We love her because of it. But because we are hearing a male voice, we are assuming it's a he. Leave BI Phakathi alone. He bothers nobody. He does the Lord's work. He helps people. That is exactly what we require. Stick to your politicians. Stick to the people that are supposed to be bringing us services in our communities. Stick to our ward counselors. Stick to our political leaders. Stick to the people we are supposed to be focusing on. Leave BI Phakathi alone. I mean, angazi umuntu omnyama ufunani yo. Hayi. Nakuthebe mthomo nsobahlanga. BI Phakathi wenza umsebenzi omuhle, sawamukela umsebenzi wakho, siyakuthanda.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Khuluma with Proof. Today is your first time visiting this channel. Please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. So kube nemahlebedi lathi uBI Phakathi uskema kesana uskema abantu. That's why he's using multiple accounts kuma social media and also hiding iface yakhe kusholo mnyama ke njena aku podcast uthi so after that uDJ Sbu umele kuBI Phakathi wakhipha video athi hands off BI Phakathi bantu ayibazange bamiyekela uthi Candy Mpanza uMaro Sbusiso uyathanda ukusifaka ezinkulumeni kodwa uthi manene ngabe akuthuleki yini bakithi kule ndoda. This is after uGuy amele uChidima the one lagcina sathola ukuthi uqishe waba mgulukudu wa Miss SA because apparently ufake i-identity or her mom ufake i-identity tindo letinjalo. So balabaningi bathi akuthuleki kulo mfana because wena zolo lokubomela uChidima and you saw what happened. Namuhla wena umela uBI Phakathi uma bambita ngeskema. Why ungakhoni ukuthula? So balabaningi guys they had a lot of things to say laphana aku TikTok uthi sine yena, but DJ Sbu sometimes I don't understand him. He supported Chidima. Now it's BI Phakathi. Now next week it's gonna be Ali Boy, but he failed to explain who's Mzekezeko. Uthi Chu yena, when you think now you are Mr. of South Africa molomo wa hawu omuholo. Okay, usho ukuthi wena sibucanga ukuthi wena Mr. South Africa obviously nemlomo wakho lomkhulu. Uthi Boy Mokoena Aisbu, with all due respect my brother, not everything, because yena usbu like he comments about everything, like uhlezi afuna kusho something whenever something trends. Uthi Kamagu yena iphi imali kaZahara. Uthi Luyolo akakwazi ukuthula lo mjida esho ngamarasta. Uthi Mr. Get off kanti inja enjani engawuzwa ufuseke wemphefumulo onukayo. Guys, like why nimenda so DJ Sbu Nkosi yami? Oh, like he's just putting his 2 cents and you guys are coming for him like real hard. It's like you guys were expecting Usubu to comment about this thing because ngiyakhombisa ke ukuthi benimulenzile benimlenzile labana abaningi like bakhulumela okuningi nje lapha aku TikTok uthi mningi githi ay uyaxala futhi uyaphapha uthi Tebuho, we don't buy more fire, you fail Zahara. Uthi lona gama Sbu doesn't learn true. Yo, guys, DM Khalel Usbu. I wonder Njani. Can someone please check on him? Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.